Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, cabinet ministers and their portfolio consistency of Minister of State independent charge, regulatory bodies, heads, headquarters, establishment year. Let's start with quiz. The Council for Scientific and Industrial Research has received approval for the clinical trials of which of the drugs to treat COVID-19? Phytoparanusfetical and favipiravir. The WHO and United Nations Postal Agency have released a commemorative postage stamp on which anniversary of eradication of smallpox? Answer: 40th anniversary. Which bank has approved a loan worth $500 million for India COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness project? Answer: AIB Beijing. AIB stands for Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, headquarters at Beijing. SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization Bank, headquarters at Beijing. ADB, Asian Development Bank, Philippines, Manila. National Development Bank, also called as BRICS Bank, headquarters at Shanghai. NABARD has disbursed 12,767 crore to state cooperative banks and regional rural banks to extend credit to farmers. Who is the present chairman of NABARD? Answer: Harsh Kumar Banwala. He is the present chairman of NABARD. And Chintala Govindarajulu, he has been nominated for the next chairman of NABARD by BBB, Banks Bureau of Board. Subhash Chandra Kuntia, he is chairman of IRDAI. Which board under MSME ministry has signed MOU with IIT Madras for setting up a center of excellence to boost the use of their products? Choir Board of Micro Small Medium Industry has signed an MOU with IIT Madras. Who has been appointed as Chief Risk Officer of S Bank for 3 years in May 2020? Answer: Neeraj Dhawan. Neeraj Dhawan appointed as a Chief Risk Officer of S Bank. Prasant Kumar is MD and CEO of S Bank. Mahabaleshwar MS is MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank. Sumant Katpalia is MD and CEO of IndusInd Bank. Which mobile app was launched by Uttar Pradesh government for migrant workers? Answer: Pravasi Rahat Mitra. This app launched by CM of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, for migrant workers, and Governor of UP, Anandiben Patel. Who will remain President of International Hockey Federation until May 2021? Answer: Narinder Batra. And here options: Robin Singh, he is coach for UAE cricket team. J. Arun Kumar, recently appointed as head coach for USA cricket team. Saurav Ganguly is 39th president of BCCI. Which company will invest 11,367 crore to buy 2.32% stake in Jio Platforms Limited? Answer: Vista Equity. Vista Equity buy 2.32% stake in Jio Platform, and earlier also Facebook also taken by a stake of 9.99%, and Silver Lake also 1.15% stake in Jio Platform. Which state has become the first state in the country to provide midday meal ration? That is, Madhya Pradesh government is the first state in the country to provide midday meal ration. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated 80-kilometer long road curtailing Kailas Mansarovar pilgrims travel through from Uttarakhand's Darchula on their way to Kailas Mansarovar. Answer: Lipu Lake. It is in China. According to Japanese brokerage Nomura, the Indian economy may contract 10% in financial year 21 on account of the coronavirus pandemic. Answer: 0.4%. Nomura is Japanese brokerage. And also we will see some other organization projection GDP growth rate of India for the financial year 2021. According to UNESCAP, 4.8%. According to Asian Development Bank, 4%. According to ICRA, 2%. According to World Bank, 1.5% to 2.8%. According to International Monetary Fund, 1.9%. According to India Ratings, 1.9%. According to CRISIL, 1.8%. According to S&P and Fitch Solutions, 1.8%. According to Goldman Sachs, 1.6%. According to Confederation of Indian Industry, minus 0.9% to 1.5%. According to Development of Singapore, 1.5%. According to SBI EcoWrap, 1.1%. According to Fitch Ratings, 0.8%. According to Moody's, it's 0%. According to Nomura, 0.4%. These are all important for the exam point of view. Please remember. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched which futures and options contract on BSE's India INX and NSE's NSE IFSC at Gift City in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Indian Rupee USD. The Ministry of Defence has inked escrow with Tata Power for modernizing 37 air bases belonging to the Air Force, Navy and Coast Guard. 1200 crore to modernize the infrastructure of 37 airfields for the Indian Air Force, Navy and Coast Guard. Signed by Ministry of Defence and Tata Power. Which insurance company has launched the Arogya Sanjeevani health insurance policy providing hospitalization cover anywhere in India with sums ranging from 1 to 5 lakh? That is SBI General Insurance. That's all for today's current affairs. Let's move to static GK. Today we will discuss the remaining cabinet ministers of independent charge. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Department of Northeastern Region, Prime Minister's Office, Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, Constituency Udhampur, Jammu Kashmir. Rajkumar Singh, Portfolio Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Ministry of Power, Constituency Ara, Bihar. Hardeep Singh Puri, Portfolio Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and Ministry of Civil Aviation. Constituency is Rajya Sabha MP from Uttar Pradesh. Mansukh L. Mandavia, Portfolio Ministry of Shipping. Constituency Rajya Sabha MP from Gujarat. Today we will discuss some important regulatory bodies in India and its present heads, headquarters and establishment year. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, establishment year 1st April 1935, headquarters at Mumbai, head person Shakti Kant Das. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, establishment year 12th April 1992, headquarters Mumbai, head person Ajay Tyagi. IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, establishment year 1999, Headquarters Hyderabad. Head person Subhash Chandra Kuntia. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Establishment year 12th July 1982. Headquarter Mumbai. Head person Harsh Kumar Banwala. Here it is a mistaken. He is the appointed. He is nominated for the next chairman of NABARD. So please correct it. CBFC Central Board of Film Certification. 15th Jan 1951. Headquarters at Mumbai. Prasoon Joshi is the head person. That's all for today's current affairs and static GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.